You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country and island in the Caribbean. So, for reference in Spanish, so locally it's said as Cuba, Cuba. Now in English it's generally referred to as Cuba, Cuba, or Cuba really should be the real way of pronouncing it, the way it's said in Cuba. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.